Hello lovely family, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I bring to you a very delicious local food from the Ewe tribe of Ghana, that is Dzenkple. You can also call it Ewe Aprapransa. So this is one of the top delicacy of the people of the Volta region. Let's check on the ingredients. I have some blended garlic and ginger, some onions, roasted corn flour, some blended cooked tomatoes, tomato paste, seasoning cube, crabs, dry smoked fish, and my palm oil, which is the jumi. These are some of the ingredients. The rest I will show you in the course of the video. So let's get started. In my pot here is my crabs. I will add some of the blended garlic and ginger, some salt, and also seasoning cube and water. I will put this on the fire and let it cook for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, this is how it looks now. It is well cooked, and I'll just take it off from the fire. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to like this video, share this video, and also click on the subscribe button while you hit that bell to get notified each time I post a video. At this point, I've added my tomato paste, my blended garlic and ginger, so I'll let this fry for additional minute, so please stay tuned. After 15 minutes of frying, I went ahead to add my blended tomatoes. I will stir this and then let it cook for additional 15 minutes. Okay fam, when it comes to this food, we have different types of the Dzenkple. We have the one we use crab to prepare. We also have the one we use abobitadi to prepare it. Then we also have the one we use goat meat and also chicken meat to prepare it. And the one I'm making in this video is the Agala Dzenkple, where we use crab to prepare it. So now I've added my other ingredients, which I stated that I'll add in the course of the video. So I'll just cover it, so please stay tuned. Okay fam, at this point the stew is well cooked and the crab too have absorbed some of the flavors in the stew. I went ahead to remove them, and then I also fetched some of the stew and set it aside. After that, I added some water, some grains of saline, African nut milk, some onion, some salt. I will stir and then cover it and let it cook for 10 to 20 minutes. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers, both new and returning. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing and for being part of this family. To my returnings, I said ayuko to all of you, always watching my video, leaving a comment. All this helps me to go higher, and I do appreciate all your effort. Now it's time for me to add the roasted corn flour, and I'm using 3 cups. With my wooden spatula, I will just stir this in a circular motion, and I will just flip it to each other. And if you have watched up to this time, you have not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Okay fam, after 15 minutes of being on the fire, our Dzenkple is all done and ready to be enjoyed. This food is packed with flavors and the aroma is so amazing. This looks so soft and it is also best eaten when it is hot. I just love the outcome, and if you do try this recipe, you will thank me later. That's why the Ewes don't joke with this delicacy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video and also leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching up to this time. Till then, see you guys in my next video. Peace be with you all. Shalom.